No. Stop. No. No. Stop it. Are you recording me do this?
Yes, I am.
Please have to do the
Where'd it go? Oh.
My shirt's all rough and shit. Don't record me.
Why not? This is funny. Nobody really looks at my YouTube page. You know, I only got 4 videos of it.
Putting this on YouTube. What are you gonna name this video?
Bored as fuck.
How many times have I YouTube?
PV edition.
Oh yeah, that'll be fine. Ah! Stop taping me! Shit!
This is so funny though.
You make me look like stupid.
Do you know how much, like, what am I trying to say? You know how much stupid shit people put on YouTube every day?
Yeah, I watch it.
But it's funny as hell.
It won't stay anymore. So you can just turn it off.